favorite soap opera star. We do have 3 awards left to give out, and they are the big ones. Let us start with your Coach of the Year, and the nominees are Jimbo Fisher, national champion, Florida State. Al Golden, part of the big rebuild and survive there at Miami. Gus Malzahn, massive turnaround at Auburn. And Nick Saban, who just reloaded and did it again with Alabama, coming a bit short of where they expect to be now every year. So, Tom, there are no wrong answers here, but who is your winner?
But my winner would be Al Golden from the Miami Hurricanes. And the reason is they had the NCAA probe hanging over their head for the last 3 years. And for the most part, for this season, too. Now it isn't. They've already put together a great class, and I think even 2015, they're ahead of the ball game right now with the rest of the teams nationally. Al Golden has done a tremendous job of relationship building in Dade and Broward County, and I think the Hurricanes are going to get back to the way they were in the 90s under Al Golden.
Well, speaking of relationship building, Coach Golden could not be here tonight to accept his award, but he did send a special message.
Hello, this is Coach Al Golden from the University of Miami Hurricanes, and I want to give a special thanks to CBS Sports Network and Tom Lemming for presenting me with the 2014 Lemmy Award. I'm grateful to be the recipient of this award, but in reality, it's a team award, and I want to thank our staff, all of our support units here at the University of Miami, our administration, the deans, the faculties, and President Shalala. I also want to recognize our student athletes, too, who do a great job hosting and really provide prospects and their parents insight to what the University of Miami and our football program is all about.